Have you ever asked yourself how something as tiny, tender, and green as a pea makes its way from a sprawling farm field into those neatly sealed bags and cans that feed millions around the world? The story begins far before machines roar to life, in fields where timing is everything, because a pea's sweetness and texture can change within hours, so farmers monitor soil temperature, moisture, and the exact degree of ripeness before harvesting begins, and when the moment is right, colossal harvesters sweep across acres like green oceans, slicing through vines and collecting pods in a rhythm that looks more like choreography than farming. Inside these machines, a series of conveyors, beaters, and sieves separate the pods, and in seconds, thousands of peas are freed from their shells, cushioned carefully to prevent bruising, and poured into trucks that rush them to the factory as if every minute lost meant a drop in quality, because freshness is the currency in this industry. Once inside the processing plant, the journey becomes even more fascinating as the peas tumble into high-pressure washers that strip away dirt, stems, and leaves before they are guided along stainless steel belts where cameras with laser eyes scan each pea for size, shape, and even hidden imperfections invisible to the human eye, instantly ejecting any that fall short of perfect. Then comes the blanching process, a critical step where steaming jets lock in color and nutrients while halting natural enzymes that could spoil the crop, turning each pea into a vibrant green gem ready for long preservation. After blanching, the peas move through chilling tunnels that drop their temperature in seconds, sealing in crispness, before they travel through massive drying systems or freezing chambers where winds colder than an Arctic storm sweep across tons of peas, freezing them so fast that ice crystals can't damage their delicate structure. From there, sophisticated packaging lines roar to life, where robotic arms scoop exact weights of peas into pouches or cans, sealing them airtight within milliseconds, while nitrogen-flushing technology pushes out oxygen to guarantee freshness even months later. And every package is labeled, coded, and inspected with surgical precision. Yet behind all this steel, speed, and science is a human element. Teams of engineers, operators, and quality controllers who test texture, taste, and safety at every checkpoint, because they know that one overlooked detail could spoil an entire batch. Finally, what began as a fragile seed in the soil ends up as millions of tons of perfectly preserved peas stacked in warehouses, ready to travel across continents, appearing in family dinners, restaurant kitchens, and emergency food reserves alike, feeding both the everyday and the extraordinary moments of life. And as you take that next bite of sweet green peas, perhaps the real mystery is not just how machines achieve this scale of perfection, but how something so small carries the story of soil, science, and human dedication in every single bite.